a special something that came in the mail while I was in Vietnam, and I got back and it was literally sitting at my buddy Alex's house. Oh, what are you doing?
That's me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sponsoring?
What is this? And then Liqui Moly actually sent me some banners as well, so I'm gonna be hanging up some in the garage, just make it look a little bit better in here. So before I show you guys, can anybody guess what's in here? Well, besides him, he cannot guess because he's cheating. But this is my buddy Alex. You're gonna see him in a lot of videos. Hopefully he doesn't get stabbed getting into the frame. But let's see what's in this box.
Use the sharp end.
Yes, use the sharp end.
Always cut away from you, but towards your friends.
That's very, very nice of you. He just broke my blade.
I didn't break it, it just loosened and fell out.
Look how good the S2000 looks with the gram lights on it. The thing.
Look at this.
Ooh, what is that?
Good status symbol. Unintended.
So, did you guys know that it was a seat? Did you guys take that guess? Oh my God, look how good that looks. Here, hold on, put it on top of the box.
Smells like new leather. Smells like new seat.
Bro, that looks so good. Oh my God. I'm pretty excited about this.
Comfy.
All right, I'm gonna do the honors without damaging the seat.
I think it'll come off in the behind it. There we go. There we go. Get all the blue crap off. And pull it. That's it. Pull it. Pop it.
Oh. Here, I'll hold this.
All the freshness. Ooh.
Well, this seat says it fits up to a 36-inch waist. I'm anywhere from like a 34 to a 38 depending on the pants and how stretchy they are, so we're gonna see how these fit me. I got one off, or out. Probably get it, yeah, probably get it from that angle. Okay, so the bracket and seat are able to come out. Cool.
With the tools in the seat.
Lift it.
You didn't drop them.
As you can see, this seat only had 2 brackets holding it on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put 2 more brackets on there on the back. So we should have full amount of brackets for the seat. I'm going to take the seat off completely first, and then I'll mount the brackets. Mounting bolts, but they're underneath the seat. That's honestly like not safe, because they have mounting puts on the side. That makes more sense as to why the seat never really moved, which is a little bit less concerning, but yeah. I'm gonna definitely make this a lot better than what it is right now. So I finally took it apart, and there's the seat bracket. Hey, that's upside down. That's definitely upside down. Somehow. Something like that. I'm confused now, but yes, that's essentially what it looked like, and we're gonna make it to where it's a side mount. only had this bracket, which is a 90-degree elbow. I had to make it a double 90. So basically this will go onto the seat bracket on the inside, and then kind of loop back out a little bit and go on the side of the seat. And I did 2 of those. I feel like they're pretty good bends. Like honestly, they're pretty good for doing them by hand, honestly. So the seat's fully mounted. Everything is bracketed in. Some brackets. Hand bent those brackets. So how do you feel about the brackets now that you see them on the actual seat themselves?
They look pretty good. They look awesome.
How did you feel about them when you first did it?
Thought you were definitely, I don't even know.
So with a lot of help from Alex, or a little bit of help, and a lot of convincing, aka convincing, we got the status grid seat in the S2000 using the stock S2000 seat brackets with some custom brackets that I made, and it doesn't even hit the door card. It's literally got like maybe a 1/4 of an inch, but hey, every part of a 1/4 inch counts. And you can actually still open the center console, which some seats you can't do that with. Look, the clearance on that is like millimeters. Super excited. How's it look?
Look better.
So I've got the wheels on, and I've got the status seat on, and Alex has got Dan's wheels on. So we're actually about to go do a Grand Lights 5070R shoot. It's been a hot minute since I've driven this car, and oh my god, it feels so good with the new wheels and tires. It's so like responsive. Like literally, like as soon as I sneeze, the car is going in the direction that I want it to. So we literally took my buddy Dan's 57DRs and put them on my buddy Alex's Nismo, just so he can match the S2000's 57DRs. And look at the freaking status seat. It literally looks phenomenal in this car. Just as a whole package, this car looks phenomenal now. I literally cannot wait to drive this thing around more. I wanted to show you guys before I did the photo shoot of these 2 cars together. Those wheels look so good on Alex's car. Super sticky Continentals, super sticky proxies, Toyo proxies. Well, that's it for this episode. I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.